Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make an easy homemade brownie mix. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and I am so excited to be sharing another carefully tested, perfected, and well-researched recipe. This one is super simple. We're just going to be making an easy homemade brownie mix that you can swap out for any store-bought mix, and it also makes a great gift. Now to get started, you're just going to want to grab a large mixing bowl, and we're going to combine 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of unsweetened natural cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and just 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we'll whisk everything together until it's really well combined. This is all you need for an easy homemade brownie mix. It's ready. Now you can store this in any airtight container. A Ziploc bag works great. I personally like to keep mine in cute little mason jars, and this is a great choice if you want to give this as a gift. Now this is a pint-sized mason jar, and if it seems like everything's not going to fit, it will. You're just going to want to pack down the ingredients a little bit with your spoon, and if you just tap it on your counter a few times, that will help as well. Now over on the blog, I also have a free printable for these cute little cards that look so nice when tied around the top of the mason jar. Now whenever you get a brownie craving, all you need to do is pour this into a large mixing bowl, add 8 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, give everything a really good stir, pour it into an 8x8 baking dish, and then bake for about 23 to 25 minutes. And that is how you make this super easy homemade brownie mix. This is also a great last-minute gift option, and it's just something you should really have in your house anyway for any time a brownie craving hits. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe, and if you try it out, please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.